Welcome to Lessons 24 of our Google Sheet course. In these lessons, we will focus on one of the most powerful aspects of Google Sheet with collaborations, sharing, and cloud features. Google Sheet is not just a spreadsheet tool, it's a live cloud based workspace that allows teams to work together in real time. By the end of these sessions, you will be able to share your sheet, message, or like manage permissions, track, edit, and use cloud-based features to boost team productivity. So let's dive right in. So let's understand or understanding the cloud-based collaborations. Like this is unlike traditional spreadsheets tools, Google Sheets run on the cloud. So this means your files are not tied to your computer. They are stored in the Google Drive. So this has three key benefits. Like first one is the real-time access and the no need to email attach or email attachments. Everyone works on same files. And the another one is the automatic savings. So your progress is never lost. So let's open up our data sets examples. So here are sales trackers for like the quarter 1, and that includes columns like date, product, sales persons, regions, unit sold, and also the revenue. And this data sets is perfect for demonstrations, collaborations, since multiple teams members like sales or also the representatives or managers and analytics need to view and edit it seamlessly. Okay, so now you can also convert this one to the tables. So now that here it's converted in the tables with these styles. Okay, so now let's start with the sharing sheets with others. Okay, so to collaborate, you first need to share the sheets. So here's how. And click on the share button on the right corners or top right corners and insert the email numbers or for that. So let's close it for now. So let's say if I'm gonna go to and let's go with something like the let's go with something. Let's say I have the email, and here we have enter email addresses for your collaborators and choose rules like here for the viewers. So and this one can only rate, and the commenters, so this is can add comments without editing, and here the editors is can make direct changes. So for this example in our sales data sets, so we will like give sales manager editors access to update the target. Like if I gonna now select it for like the there's one. So let's say I want to go with the or editors for the there's one, and now it's now sent, and again I want to share it again, and let's say the skip is for now, and another one is. So now let's add the another accounts like that there's one, and let's say we want to use only the commenters. Okay, so and also it can be only or only need to access or like we can say the viewers to review the result. Okay, so now this way every team members has exactly the access they need. So by sending, and now it sends and they can open it. And on the standout features of Google Sheets is real-time editing. So like here, if I now clicking or if I select something over here, and also if two or more peoples open the sheets, so you will see their avatars appears at the top. As they make changes, you can see them happening instantly. So let's move into the another accounts. So here you can see we have or got it. So we have now or open it with the another accounts like the our accounts. So this is the like the another accounts to see it, and there you can see we have now open up two accounts and it shows up into the top. Okay, so for example, like if I reviewing something into, like let's go to or select the regions over here, and let's say we're gonna use it like that. That's one. So now let's move into the there's accounts, and you can or you can now see that. So it shows up with the names. Okay, so let's say if I use this one and make it like the 8,000s over here, and their seats over here we have changed it in there. So now let's move into the another accounts, and you can now see it's changed in there. Okay, so and that's it. So this eliminates duplicates versions of files and keep the entire stream's alignment. Okay, so sometime instead of editing directly, you can or you may want to leave feedback. So that's where comments and notes comes in. Like to add a comments, highlight a cells, and also like if I gonna use like these ones over here, and use the control plus alter plus M, and now you can add here the comments or add the notes, and also you can or taggings with the at the rate lets you assign tags, like you can say, and if I gonna say the do that like that this or this one, and let's say if I gonna use something like over here, or you can use like the Sarah or like the that's one. Okay, and also please double check these sales figures, or you can say like you can use like the not that that's one, or let's say we want to use like same thing like that, please double check or over here this or something like this sales figure. Okay, so let's the or we can just do it over here, and that's and just click on the comments. Okay, so unlike comments, notes are similar reminder inside our sales. So and that's it. So this ensure clear communications without cluttering the or sheets. And the another thing is the versions history. So let's move into the over here, and you can now see it comes with these comments like please double check these sales figures, like, and the commenters is there. Okay, and also the collaborations is great, but what if someone accidentally delete important data? That's where version history comes in. So go to the file tabs and click on the versions history, and click on the see versions history. Okay, so here you will see a timelines like all of the changes made by whom and when. So you can restore any previous versions with just one clicks. Like if you're gonna go to over here, and let's go to, and now the changes over here, and you can easily restart it from the here. Okay, so for example, if we or mistakenly change like that, that's one you can now see, and here we have open it over here. Or if I gonna go to with these accounts, and let's say go to again the versions history and see the versions histories over here, and their seats over here, and now it's changed in there. So go to over here, and here what we have changed, and you can restore it like the there's one. Okay, so and that's it. And beyond real-time editings, Google Sheets has cloud-powered features that helps teams work smarter, and the it is called the linked sheets and importance, or you can say the imports. So like here, if I gonna go to and use, or you can, or now let's go back again there, And let's say you can just use the importance, like the, let's say the, over here the importance, like over here, to import data from the another sheets in there. So we can just easily use the sheets names, like if I do have like, or if I gonna go to from here like the this one, and also we can close it and then hit on the OK. So and that's it over here. So if I gonna now something like that this one, and you can now see into the over here. Okay, so this is the cloud based ads on and tools like corrected sheets, and lets you analyze data from like the BigQuery or other database directly in Google Sheets. Okay, so and that's it. So always set the right permissions when sharing, and use comments and instant of overwriting data for sensitive corrections. And that is for lessons 24, collaborations, sharing and cloud features in Google Sheets. You have now learned how to share sheets, manage permissions, and work in real time, leave comments, and recover all versions, and use powerful cloud based features. Okay, so and that's it, and see you in the next lessons.